Guys, we found Trixie's dad. Look. He's so nervous when I go to him. So now they're perfect family. So he just first time visit here and like that, and he was so familiar today because when I was 7 years old, I just see him and baby meows like that. So there's Snow Black. He's always angry. Look, but his name is Blackie. So Blackie is like Trixie's dad. So here's Trixie. So here, meet your papa, Trixie. Trixie is kind of resting outside because it's hot inside, but she loves inside too. Are you taking a bath? Like Blackie? Oh my gosh, you're so familiar. Even 7 years old, I see you. Even I was so young, he was so familiar. You're super familiar, and I see him. So here's angry Snow Black. She's pregnant. They're gonna have a baby. Looks like Trixie has another sister. I don't know who is that guys. So please subscribe and comment down below if you want more cat family videos. So just like them, look. Oh, the pop. Here's this like Trixie's parents, and here's Trixie. Oh my gosh, she's like just like her mother, makes her papa. Look, it's kind of brown because I see brown a little bit on him. He kind of looks like Snow Black, right? Look, he's looking at Snow Black. So guys, if you want more family cat videos, so bye guys.